Hi everyone, in this video we will be going over comments in C#. So what are comments? Comments are text that is completely ignored by the compiler when running code. They're vital to programs, and they allow others and your future self to understand your logic. They make the code neat, professional, and structured. And here are some examples. The 2 slashes here, this is a single line comment, and the slash asterisk, this is a multi-line comment, and then that again. And they do exactly what the comment says. So you can only use this style for a single line comment, which is on one line, and you can use this style for a comment that takes multiple lines as long as you start it this way and end it this way. And this is a picture of how comments would look on your IDE. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope it helped you out. And don't forget to like and subscribe.